Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn a word that is very important. The word rejoice. We're going to learn how to use this word in a conversation. Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again. Rejoice. Philippians 4:4. To rejoice is to be incredibly happy or to express your incredibly happiness. Look these examples here. Everyone rejoiced at the news of his safe return. Everyone is happy because of this news. We spend the evening rejoicing at our victory. Our team just won and we're so happy about that. They rejoiced to see their son well again. He was sick for a while and now he's fine, so we are rejoicing about that. To sum up, we can say that rejoice means to feel or show great happiness about something. Like this example, rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again, rejoice. So feel happy always, no matter what is happening in your life. Always rejoice in the Lord. Philippians 4:4. Thanks for watching my video. That's all for today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn and to improve your English.